So to create a new images library or picture library, as it's called, on your site, besides what the default images library that's already on each site, you go to Site Actions, More Options. You're going to select Photo Library from your options, or Picture Library, Picture Library. Now give it a name. This is a great way to organize photos for events. So for example, say you have student artwork you want to display in a slideshow on a page, or pictures from a pep rally or a field trip or something like that. This is a great way, creating new picture libraries is a great way to organize all those photos and then also later display them on a page in a slideshow. So I'm going to call this field trip just as a test. Now before you click create, you want to select more options. And you want to select no here because you do not want this to show in your navigation, in your sidebar navigation. All the picture libraries are going to be underneath View All Site Content. You just want to create it and then be able to put pictures in it and display it on a page. So I'm going to click Create. Now it's going to take me to that picture library. Now you want to upload new pictures. You can upload multiple pictures. Again, if you're using a Windows operating system, not a Mac operating system. But I'm going to go to Upload Picture. I'm going to browse for a picture. I'm just going to select one picture here. And then I'm going to click OK when the image populates here in the Browse field. There we go. So I'm going to click OK. And here you can give it a new name. So I'm going to call this Gary Goes to the Zoo. I'll call it Gary Barrow. That's his name. But you can call it whatever you want. Student 1, Student 2, Giraffes, Student Artwork number 1, whatever you would like. You can add as much as you would like here. Now if you're going to put this in a slideshow, and that's your point of creating this picture library, description is what the caption is. So say you want to say, meet Gary Barrow. This would show up in the slideshow either next to his name or next to the picture or underneath the picture. You choose where, but that's something you could populate here as you upload pictures if you're interested in having captions for your slideshow. Then just click Save, and the images is there. Now you can upload new images. One thing to keep in mind is that there are there's no publishing workflow for a new images library that is created, or a new documents library. When you create new images and documents libraries, there's no publishing workflow associated with them. Only the default ones that are built out in a site. So it's a great way, again, if you're uploading lots of images for different events or specific things, to create a new picture library and be able to organize them there and also not have to approve all of them. So that's how you create a new picture library. Now to find it again, from say you're back at your home page, to find it again you go to View All Site Content, and down beneath Picture Libraries you'll see Field Trip, and that's the one I just created.